Hey family, there comes a point in every healing journey where you realize you were never supposed to do it alone. We've been on a deep dive, peeling back childhood pain, unmasking trauma, and learning to say out loud what we once whispered in shame. But something powerful happens when we stop talking at people and we start talking with them. Welcome to Confidence Rewired episode 10. We have talked long enough. Now let's talk together. I know we have people from all over the world, so tell us your name and where you're joining from. Confidence from Port Harcourt. Thank you for joining. I see Kike from New Jersey. Thank you. Welcome to Confidence Rewired. James from Maduikiti, thank you for joining. Welcome everybody. Please help share this video right away with at least 3 people. Let them know we are live on Confidence Rewired series. We are getting started right away. So today I am hitting pause, not on the message, but on the format, because the next layer of healing happens in a community, in conversation. Let's do a quick reflection. A recap on the journey so far. If you've been following the Confidence Rewired series from the beginning, you know we didn't take the easy route at all. We started with the raw truth that some of us never heard "I love you." The feedback has been awesome. That confidence isn't always missing, it's often buried. We expose the silent scripts that shaped us, the masks we wore, the pain we performed through, and the lies that tried to take up permanent residence in our minds. We have done the hard work. We have told the truth, even when it trembled. And we started rewriting what confidence means from inside out. We saw clearly that healing begins with truth. You can't fix what you pretend doesn't hurt. Your silence didn't make you strong. It made you invisible. Trauma wears a mask, but so does false confidence. Each of those truths became a mirror not just for you, but for me. A shift is coming. Conversation, and why is it time for this? Here is the thing. My voice can only take you so far. There are voices out there that hold keys. Stories that mirror your own in ways I never could. So over the next few weeks, I'll be having raw, real, soul-level conversations with guests from all walks of life. We are talking confidence in parenting, confidence in cancel culture, confidence after trauma, confidence in Gen Z, and the pressure to be perfect. In the workspace, in relationships, how men process confidence differently, confidence in ministry, boldness in business, and even how to rebuild when you've lost it all. These aren't just interviews, these are bridges. Because when you hear someone else's story, we find language for our own. I'll be sitting down with coaches who have transformed their pain into purpose, creatives who found their voice after rejection, Gen Zs navigating the confidence gap in a digital age, women and men unlearning shame and choosing healing. And what we're creating is timeless. These stories are not just inspirational, they are instructional. They show us what confidence looks like in motion. Not always perfect, but always real. And I believe with all my heart, when stories collide, confidence multiplies. I used to think confidence was something you figured out alone, something you performed until it felt real. But you know what changed me? It's not just therapy, it's not just faith. It was hearing someone tell their story out loud, and suddenly my shame didn't feel so personal anymore. I saw myself in them, and that gave me the courage to keep healing. That is why I don't just want this series to just speak at you. I want it to speak with you. It's not a monologue, it's a conversation. And I am inviting you in, not just to watch, but to comment, to share, reflect. Let's talk together, because when voices rise, shame definitely falls. Before we step into this next phase, let me ask you, what was your aha moment from the past episodes? What is a lie about confidence you've believed for too long? What is one truth you whispered to yourself after watching? Drop it in the comments or share anonymously. You can just whisper it again tonight because your voice matters. You're not invisible here. So, here is what I want from you. Drop in the comments any question you wish someone would answer about confidence. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss a single guest. And if you found even a silver of healing from this series so far, please share this with someone who has been silently struggling, because we're not just building confidence, we are rewriting stories, and we are doing it together. Also get the past episodes and connect all the dots together. You will be glad you did. I am Omolola Adeyemo, and this is Confidence Rewired. The next voice you hear won't just be mine. See you next week for our first guest episode. It's going to be fire.